This is from Lachey. Hey, Lachey. I took her course over a year ago, changed my life. I was able to make over $200K in less than 6 months after landing my first role. She's the real deal. Here's another one. Jenny is so transparent, and the QA program is awesome. Her and her team constantly updates everything. Here's another one. I'm so freaking happy to see this. I took Jen's QA course and got into tech because of her. I then found your page and started following you, and you have responded to giving great advice. Go Jen, go Sai. Here we go. Here's another one, Drea. Jen is absolutely the best. Helped me land my first QA job. She is such an amazing person, truly cares about her students and their success. Here's another one. Her program has been such a blessing in my life. This interview was